Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a makeup tutorial on this look today. I've been loving it lately, especially on my brown eyes. I mean, blue eyes, colored eyes, like this is gonna look so good on, especially like burnt oranges, but I love it for like my brown eyes to pop, and it looks a little bit different in like natural light, daylight. Actually, during the video that you're gonna be watching right now for the tutorial, I did have natural light when I was filming earlier, and then it went away. I had to go run some errands. I didn't get to film the intro earlier, so I just wanted to do it tonight while I still had the makeup on. I've had it on for a few hours now, but this is the look. It is like a orangey coppery. It's like a lot brighter, I feel like, in person, and probably right when I did it, it was a lot brighter, but there's a little bit of brown and kind of purplish in the crease, but it is, like I said, the look I've been wearing a lot lately and loving a lot lately. I've had a couple questions on social media about it, what I've been using, so if you want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so to get started with this look, I've already primed my eyes. I just used some concealer, and then I put some translucent powder on the top so I don't get any creasing. I'm going to be using for the lids this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. It has a few shimmers, some mattes in here as well. Not too many colors, but I do love the colors that it does have. It's like purplies. This one's more of like a burgundy. It looks kind of brown gold on camera, but I'm going to be like really smoking it out. I've been doing this look a lot lately, and I've been loving it. It's cool too because it came with some looks in it, so you can like recreate it with the palette, because I know the colors are kind of random, but I really like it. So let's get started. I'm going to start in my crease with peanut butter. So now that our crease is all blended out with that peanut butter color, I'm going to take Nuts About You. It's a more red shade, and I'm going to use a smaller blending brush that comes more to a taper to really get precisely in that crease. This is the MAC 217 SE. This was in a holiday collection, but I love it to get like really up there in the crease. I'll be mixing two shades in the palette, Peanut Butter Cup and Jammin'. Jammin's a little more like purpley, and Peanut Butter Cup is obviously more of a brown, and I'm going to mix those two and just add a little bit more definition to the crease. I'm using like pencil brush. This is the 219 SE. I'm guessing the SE is just like special edition. I think this is another one from like a holiday collection. I like the mini ones, they're easy to travel with. I'll just take this blending brush that just has a little bit of the red color left, which is in the crease anyway, and blend it out. Alright guys, and next I'm just cleaning up the lid. I got some concealer on a flat brush, and I'm just going to go in and make it all nice for the lid color. And then I'm just taking this peanut brittle color. I'm just going to take a flat brush and pack it all over my lid. I do want to add just a little more shimmer to my lid. So there's this highlight in the palette called Bananas. It's like a goldy color. And I'm just going to pop that in the center of my lid. I'm using the back side of the brush that I use for my lid color. Alright guys, now I'm taking my Pore No More Dr. Brandt primer. I love this stuff. It's great if you have like oily skin and bigger pores because it just fills them in. And I just like to press it into the skin so it really gets in those pores. Makes them no more. As Dr. Brandt claims. I got that at Sephora. It's a little pricey, but worth it, and you only need a little bit. It goes such a long way. I did moisturize my skin earlier. It's getting really oily though. Like I said, I have oily skin. Next, I'm just using some translucent powder. This is a great dupe for the Laura Mercier. It's I think like 12 bucks, maybe 14 at Walmart or Ulta. It's the In7 brand, and I love it. So I'm just using some of this to take off the excess oil before I go with my foundation. If you have oily skin, I definitely recommend this. Just pressing it into the skin because I'm not trying to move my primer around or anything like that. Just pressing it into the skin. And next I'm going with my Real Techniques beauty sponge, damp of course, and the In7 brand. Again, this is their foundation. This is, well, one of their foundations. This is the Perfect foundation. It's for all skin types. It's medium coverage. I will say if you do have oily skin, you really want to set this, but it looks really good on the skin. I always feel like my skin looks really glowy when I have this foundation on. Next, I'm just doing some under eye correction with the Dark Circle Corrector from NYX. This is in the color Light, and I'm just going to use the tip of my beauty blender and go in and cover these dark circles before we do our highlight. And then I'm just using this Maybelline concealer. It almost reminds me of, there's like a prep and prime stick from MAC. I love it. I haven't used it in so long, I don't even know if they still have it, but it totally reminds me of the same formula. This is like $5 though, versus probably like 25. And it is in the color Fair, and it's number 15. Has a little wand. I'm just gonna highlight under the eyes. Bring it down the side of the nose. I like to bring it down here too. Forehead. Down the bridge of the nose. And on the chin. And I'm just going to go and make translucent powder from that In7 brand and just set all the places that I just highlighted. Alright guys, now I'm going to set the rest of my face with this Stay Matte Revlon, I think it is. Yeah, no, Rimmel London. It's like $5 too at the drugstore. It's called Sandstorm, and I'm just going to set the rest of that foundation so it doesn't move. You know, like I said, I'm oily, so you can never set too much when you're oily. You know, the struggle with the oily skin. I'm gonna go around the sides of my nose, tip of my nose, over my lip. And plus, you really want to put a powder on before you contour if you're using powder contour, which I'm going to go in with next because it blends way easier. So I'm going to make sure all the places I'm about to bronze and contour are all good to go. Alright guys, so I'm taking the Kat Von D shade and light palette. I'm going in with this cool tone shade. I know, I need a new one. Don't tell me. All the lights are on. It's just contour now. No highlight. Alright guys, I'm just taking this flat top Real Techniques brush. I'm going to go in with the middle color. It's more of a warm tone bronzy brown to bronze up the skin. Alright guys, so I just dusted off my excess powder from baking and also did my brows off camera because they take me forever. But if you would like a tutorial on that, I just fill them in with brow powder. I used to never do that. I used to like never even have brows now that I think of it. But I've been growing them out. So I could definitely do a tutorial if you want to see that. Just let me know. But the brows are on, so now we are going to work with that bottom lash line. I'm just using this Anastasia stick. Wipe it off, make sure it's real clean. It's to carve out, I think, your brows, but I like to use it on my lower lash line if I'm not going to be doing black liner and I want like a white liner. This is almost more flesh color, that's why I really, really like it. So this is the Pro Pencil eyeshadow primer and color corrector from Anastasia. So what I like to do to not make a dent in my concealer underneath my eyes is use something like this, a brush to pull down my eye before I go in with a liner. And now I'm going to be going underneath the eyes and doing the same colors that we have on the lid and in the crease. So in the inner corner, I'm going to go back in with my lid color, peanut brittle, and just take that in the inner corner. Flat Morphe brush. This is the M167, and go back in with the dark brown and purpley colors. And I'm going to blend it into that front color as well. And then going back into the palette, I'm going to be using the Bananas shade again, and that's going to be my highlight. So I'm going to take that in the tear duct. I'm using the other side of this brush. I have the reddish color on the back and slate color. Have this Becca highlighter. It's like a liquid highlighter. And usually a lot of people do this before powder. I feel like it just gets covered up that way. So what I do to make it go on nicely is I put it on my fingertip and warm it up. I rub my fingertips together. That came in like a duo. A little Becca highlighter and that. That's Sephora. Like travel size. I like it. So warm that up. Alright guys, I'm back. I curled my hair, changed my outfit because I'm getting ready to leave, and I need to charge my camera because it died. So I just hit my lashes with some mascara as well while my camera was charging. I left off highlighting, so since I put the cream highlight on, I'm going to go back into this palette, get the banana shade, and just hit these cheekbones and my cupid's bow. And now that we're all highlighted and my mascara, like I said, I put on, I'm going to just pop on lashes and a lip color, and this look will be done. I'm using these, I don't even know, they're store-bought. I don't know what I did with the box. I have like a little case I just put all my lashes in, but they're like more of the pointy tip. I don't know if you can really see them. They just look really good when I don't have liner on. So I'm going to pop these on real quick. The lashes are on. I'm just going to use this Selena Amore lipstick. It's like a brownie tone. I have chapstick on, so it's not going to be super pigmented. And my camera's dying again. It got like 12% on the charge when I charged it. But this is what I'm just putting on first. And I do want more of a peachy tone. This is a liquid lipstick from Bareminerals. What's the color? Extra. And by itself, it's like very orangey, like more of a spring color. So I wanted to kind of like tone it down by putting the brown on first. This is the final look. I hope that you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you want to see more beauty videos here on my channel.